In this lecture, we will generate a SAS token for the container we created in the previous lecture. Remember that the Azure Storage account and the container we created in it are private. So, in order for the virtual machine to be able to download the web files we uploaded in the container, we have to generate an SAS token that the virtual machine will use to download the web files from the container. So basically, an SAS token allows any virtual machine to have access to the files we uploaded in the container. To generate the SAS token, make sure you are in the container, and once you are in the container, for the file we uploaded in it, go to the right side and you're going to see these three dots. Select it and click Generate SAS. On this page, we will leave most of these settings as the same. Then, one thing I want you to note is the permission is going to be read, and the only thing we will change here is the expiration date. So for the expiry date, I'm going to put it 1 year out. You can pick any expiration date you want. Once you have entered your expiration date, under Allow IP address, we will leave it as default, and under Allow protocols, we are going to select HTTPS only. Then click Generate SAS token. Once you have generated the token, scroll down and you'll see the token here. At the top, that is the actual token, and at the bottom, that is the URL that your virtual machine can use to download the web files from the container. One thing I want you to note is that even though this token will expire in a year, if you click away from this page, you are not going to see this token anymore. So what I want you to do is open a notepad on your computer, copy this token, and save it in that notepad like I am doing here. Make sure you copy the token and the token URL. This is all we need to do to generate an SAS token that our virtual machine will use to download the web files from our container. If you have any questions or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.